Now I'm going to talk about summary of project roles. First of all, since all of us are junior system analysts, we will be assisted by a senior system analyst. We also use a responsibility assignment matrix system, which is RESI matrix, to do this task. We use this platform because this can help us to identify each one's of responsibility in doing this project. The system analyst, the first system analyst is Daniel, and his role in this project is team leader, report directly regarding updates of the team to the senior analyst, involved in the planning phase and analysis phase, and perform fact-finding for RBCR. The next system analyst is Yikyu. She will perform as a system planner, involved in the planning phase, and perform the fact-finding for RBCR. And next is Natasha. She will act as system planner, involved in the planning phase, involved in system designing, find the system's requirement and request for RBCR in preliminary investigation, and perform fact-finding for RBCR. Next is Wong. He will act as system planner as he involved in the planning phase. He will also involve in the system implementation phase later. He also performed fact-finding for RBCR and involved in creating the transportation management system, which is a case for action on preliminary investigation. And lastly, record every update for Daniel. And lastly, me as myself, Yoga, and I will act as system planner as participating in the planning phase. I also perform fact-finding for RBCR. I will assist in designing and analyzing for the new system, record the roles of everyone, and do estimation for the time and cost for RBCR's new system installation for preliminary investigation. Next is the time estimation. Since we use the SDLC model, we will record in 5 phases. For the first phases, which is planning phase, these are the tasks and the duration. The tasks are: first, analyze and understand the arising problems for the case, analyze the problem and things that need to know from the case, analyze the business and list out the important details for planning phase, prepare fishbone diagram, identify the system to be developed, delegate job scope to the team, perform fact-finding for the case, perform feasibility of the system, which consists of 4, which is operational, economic, technical, and schedule, and reporting. The next phase is analyzing phase. And the tasks are: identify the requirement for the new system, develop strategies for the system, and that is the time, the duration time. And the third phase is designing. We will design and create the new system, and we will testing the system for the usability, and these are the duration. And the fourth phase is implementation. We will gather all the information for implementing the system. We will do training for employees, install the solution system, get final verification for the system, and supervise the flow or process of the system. And the last phase is system security and support. To maintain the system process, measure the performance of the system, install security procedure to the system, and install backup and recovery system. We will estimate that there might be some adjustment later when we come to these phases. The next is Gantt chart. Next is the PERT chart, and these are the 2 charts that will help us to assist in doing this project. Next is the cost estimation, and we estimate these are the items, quantities, and prices for the items that we might use, and these are the costs, which are service connections, software licenses, server, training costs, travel costs, salary for both senior system analysts and junior system analysts, and we predict that the total cost that we will incur is 43,450 ringgit. And that's it from all of us, and thank you.